My name is Joshua Gray. I'm full-time in property now, so my background is mechanical engineering, so I used to work in the steel industry. I got made redundant in November, but now I'm full-time in property. At the moment, I'm on BRRs, so I'll deal sell in between as well. So I sell rent-to-rents and BRRs, BRR to SA, HMOs and flips. But at the moment, I've got a 10-bedroom HMO in Carmarthenshire. I'm about to start the refurb on that in 2 weeks. And I got a block of 6 flats in Tenby in West Wales as well. Say sorry?
You're on the academy?
Yeah, I'm on the academy. I joined the academy, and on my last day of employment, while I can legally still take out a loan, I paid for the academy on the 25th of November. So I'm about 6 months in.
How's it going?
Yeah, it's brilliant in fairness. I can't fault this. So the mentors are great. The environment is great. Everyone is just full of positivity. I haven't seen one negative person yet at all in the 5-6 months I've been on here. Just on the network as well, like my 10B deal, I got the JV for that within the first week of being on the academy. That's just from a 15-second pitch in a circle. So I stood up, said I got this deal, look for a JV partner, and then just straight away, and we secured like a £410,000 JV, and like no money down from my end, and all just being in this environment. So fantastic. It's good. He keeps you awake. Definitely, he's full of energy. Always a great content, good information, and he's not afraid to call you out either. So if you're sort of dawdling or you're not pulling your finger out, or a little bit of bullshit, then he'll just call you out, and he'll always make sure you're on the right track. You keep on straight and narrow, and you'll always get results with Samuel.